Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So just a little bit of a disclaimer before I get started with this. For those of you who don't know what I'm doing, I'm installing the steering wheel I got in the mail the other day, or I guess yesterday. For me, I don't know when it'll be for you guys, but anyways, I'm gonna be installing that. Just a quick disclaimer though, my car is trashy as shit on the inside. Like, it's got trash everywhere. I haven't cleaned it out yet. I clean it out at the end of every week, and I haven't gotten to it yet because I've been busy with work and shit like that. So don't talk shit, please. I mean, I don't really give a shit if you do, but I'm just a little bit of a disclaimer before I get started with it. But anyways, I'm gonna be installing this today, like I said. So I guess let's just get to it, right? I gotta take the old steering wheel off. And to do that, there's these little clips inside here. For those of you who've never seen this before, there's these little holes back here though. Basically, you just kind of press the clip in, and the airbag, I should say, just kind of comes off. Oh shit, right after I said it, it comes off, no problem. Okay, so basically this is what you're left with. You kind of have to unplug that. Where the fuck where'd it go? Oh shit, there it is. And unplug the actual airbag itself. And there you go, there's one airbag for you. Now I got to unplug this wiring harness right here, and then I need to find a socket that's gonna fit on that. I don't know if I have one that's big enough with my impact. I probably do, but I probably don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna go see if I can find one. I found a socket that's gonna fit. It's not, I'm pretty sure it's not the right one. This is a 15/16. I'm pretty sure the real size I need is a 23 millimeter, but I mean, it's still gonna work. So I got the good old impact here, and I'm just gonna can you turn on the compressor? It's too low, the air's like, there's none. I had to get my girlfriend to turn on the compressor because that's not enough air. That's not... Oh, never mind, you can turn it off. You can turn it off. Never mind. Apparently there was enough air in it already, even though it doesn't really sound like it, but there's the little bolt. Now I get to go fucking disassemble this fucking shit. This is gonna... I guess I'm gonna disassemble this now. I'm just gonna put it in a time lapse so I don't have to, because I don't have anything to say while I'm doing this, so I'm just gonna put it in time lapse. I got the whole thing disassembled now, and now I'm going to, I guess, just swap everything over to this steering wheel, which is probably easier said than done. This is the old one. This thing looks like shit, dude. Like, look at, that's terrible. Like, have you ever looked, like, look at this, like, look at that. That looks like shit, man. And no, it's because it's fucking leather, and it's old. It's getting old. But this leather doesn't age well. Like, I don't even think it's real leather, to be honest. But here's the new one with the Alcantara. It came out pretty good though. I like it. I feel like it's lighter. It's like, well, actually no, it's probably the same weight. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna go put this on now. I'll be fucked. All right, we go put this shit on. Okay, so, all right, so I'm gonna put this on real quick. But before I do that, I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys what the car looks like right now, because I haven't posted any picture of it on Instagram without the flares because it doesn't look very good. But I figured I'd do that and just, I guess, show you guys the new wheels too. But here it is. It's dirty as fuck right now. It needs to be washed. And yeah, obviously the flares are off. You can see the fucking disgusting, you know, cuts there. I actually drilled out the riv nuts yesterday so that I can use the well nuts. But here's the new wheels. I really like them. They're the TSW Sonoma. They are a 19 by 9.5 inch with a plus 20 millimeter offset. Here's the back. It's disgusting. I did get a new deck lid. You probably can't tell because it's dirty as fuck, but it is new. It's the clean, just glossy finish one. Here's my decals and all that shit. But yeah, it's dirty as fuck right now, and it probably doesn't look that great to most people, but I mean, I'm in the process. It's a build in process. That's the thing that most people don't understand. Whenever we're building cars, it's a process, you know, and especially if it's a daily driver. I know I have to drive around like that. Trust me, I don't like driving around like that as much as people don't like looking at it. Like I don't like driving it around like that, but it's a daily driver. It's all I have. But I do want to show you guys one of the flares, since I did already paint one of them to see how it would look, and this is what it looks like. It is a little too dark. I'm gonna have to use a lighter primer, but it's pretty fucking close. Like it's not that far off. So I'm still in the process of doing these. I'm probably gonna get the paint whenever I get paid as well. But other than that, I mean, it's a process, you know. For those of you who are building a car, you know what I'm talking about. It's a process. It's not like it just happens overnight. Unless you got fucking money and you don't do any of it yourself, it's a process. It takes a while. But anyways, enough rambling. I'm going to get this new steering wheel on and then probably go drive around with it on, see what it feels like, and then I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. So let's do it. Well, I got the steering wheel on. As you can see, it looks really great. I did have to make some modifications to the wiring on this for the OK button here, because whenever I would turn the car on, basically what would happen is, it's not gonna happen because I fixed it, but basically when I would turn up the radio, or if it's shit, sorry, that's loud. But basically what it would do is, anytime I turn it up, it would automatically turn all the way down. And it was because the steering wheel, whenever I put the airbag back in, it was pressing on wires over here, because one of them, I guess, came disconnected, so I had to reconnect it and heat shrink it and all that shit. But anyways, it's done, and I think it came out pretty well. Again, I'm sorry my car is a mess, I know, but I like it. I think it looks really good. It looks very, very sporty. And so yeah, I'm gonna go drive around in it and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see me, but I'm pretty sure you can see my car. I just got home from my parents and from driving around, and the steering wheel is fucking great, dude. It's magnificent. I fucking love the steering wheel. So I am definitely gonna be keeping it on the car because it's fucking sick. Like it's a great fucking steering wheel. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. So peace out, fam.